You're a field service business owner. You're on the go, running from job to job, and you need to manage everything from your phone. You're scheduling, quoting, invoicing, tracking your team, and communicating with clients, all while on site. But here's the thing. Which app is going to be your mobile command center? The digital world has given us an endless number of tools, but for field service, it's all about a solution that keeps up with your pace. You need something powerful but also intuitive. Something that can handle the complexity of your business, but without tying you to a desk. It's a delicate balance, and that's why so many of you have been asking, does ServiceM8 have an app? That's a great question, and the short answer is a resounding yes. ServiceM8 is built with a mobile-first philosophy. In fact, for field staff, the app is the primary way they interact with the software. It's not just an afterthought or a watered-down version of the desktop experience. It's a full-featured, robust tool designed specifically for the person out in the field. But here's where things get interesting and a little more nuanced. ServiceM8 has a very specific and intentional approach to its mobile app. For years, the flagship, full-featured app has been an exclusive on the Apple ecosystem. That means for iPhone and iPad users. This is a key point, and it's one that has shaped the ServiceM8 experience for a long time. The iOS app is a powerhouse, allowing field staff to do everything from creating new jobs and quotes on the fly, to managing client communication with automated text and email templates, to taking and annotating photos of a job site. You can even take payments right there on the spot. It's a truly comprehensive mobile solution. So why the Apple exclusivity? Well, for a long time, ServiceM8 focused on optimizing the app for a single platform to deliver the best possible user experience. They leveraged the unique capabilities of the iPhone and iPad to create a fast, seamless, and deeply integrated experience. Think about features like using Siri to create a new job or annotating photos directly on the job card, or even the new tap to pay on iPhone for contactless payments. These are all things that were built from the ground up for the Apple environment. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but what about Android? That's the big question, and for a long time, it was a significant point of frustration for many business owners with a mixed device workforce. ServiceM8 heard that feedback loud and clear, and they have addressed it. In 2024, they released ServiceM8 Lite for Android. It's important to understand what ServiceM8 Lite is and isn't. As the name suggests, it's a simplified app, specifically designed for field technicians, subcontractors, or temporary workers who need the essentials. This isn't a full-blown job management tool for the business owner. It's for the person who needs to know when and where to be, view job details, complete tasks, track their time, and add notes or photos. It's a fantastic solution for a team that has some members on Android devices and just needs them to be connected to the system. It helps with communication and ensures everyone is on the same page, but it doesn't have the full feature set of the iOS app. This includes some of the more advanced features like quoting, invoicing, and real-time staff location tracking on the map view for all workers. For the owner or a field staff member with a management role, the iOS app for iPhone and iPad is still the go-to. This is where you'll find the complete set of tools to run your business from the palm of your hand. This includes the ability to see a live map of all your staff, dispatch urgent jobs, and generate detailed reports. The level of functionality is what really separates it. So, to summarize the app situation, yes, ServiceM8 absolutely has an app. For the most comprehensive, full-featured experience, it's on iPhone and iPad. This is where the core of ServiceM8's mobile power lies, with features like live staff tracking, robust quoting, and seamless payments. For businesses with Android users on their team who just need the basics to get their jobs done, there is ServiceM8 Lite, which provides the essential tools to keep them connected and productive. Choosing a field service management solution is a big decision. It's not just about the features, but how those features integrate into your daily workflow. ServiceM8's approach with its apps shows a clear understanding of the different roles within a service business. The powerful iOS app for the managers and senior staff, and the streamlined Android app for the technicians who need to focus on the job at hand. This dual app strategy allows them to cater to a broader market while still delivering a highly polished and effective experience on their core platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.